Basically, all these trucks here are staged, and they're staged while they're full of sand and cement powder. And their job is to wait until it's their turn, and they will go and back up to the big machine down here at the end of the hill, and they'll offload their material. That material gets offloaded via this auger system right here. So the material sits here and turns, and it comes out and it goes down this auger. And then this auger will dump it into a hopper. That hopper then has air connected to it, and that hopper will shoot the material down a hose using air pressure to the backyard. I'll show you down there, but it's really loud, so I just figured I'd show you here first. Come check it out.